Now that is really scary. Will it give you pleasure? Do you find me beautiful? सुर कितने हैं दुनिया में आज के टाइम में और असुर कितने हैं? भोलेनाथ क्या है? सूर्य के असुर हैं. Or can fear be beauty?
If you are in the top of the ocean, maybe you'll find it.
The pleasant things only are beautiful. Now who are these terrorists basically?
So they are asur because of their ignorance.
तो कुछ ऐसे लोग होंगे जो हमेशा आपकी खूबी निकालेंगे. ये यूनिवर्स कैसे पैदा हुआ? अब उनको नहीं पता कैसे पैदा हुआ, बट उनको ये पता है कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कैसे पैदा हुआ वो असत्य कैसे है. Someone finds beauty in being the traffic being organized. सब अपने लेन में चल रहे हैं. And someone finds beauty कि मैं कुछ काट वाट के ऐसे हीरो बन के बीच में से ऐसे निकल जाऊं. Hence proof total beauty of the world. अब तो सबको जन्नत गारंटीड है, तो फिर क्या करेंगे इंसान धरती पे? Then what is the end game? Beauty. क्या आपके लिए beautiful?
Something which looks good.
Something which looks good. So beauty is only defined in visuals.
Yeah, no, the music also could be like beautiful.
Music can be beautiful too. So it's not something which looks good.
Yeah, something which you feel good when you listen to it. You just know it's beautiful. That's the word you use. You feel like pleasant inside.
So good means pleasure.
You get the sensation inside, like within me, that you feel pleasant. So you see, you just normally use the word good. Feels good.
So beautifully basically means pleasure.
Pleasure to the senses, to the eyes, the music. For music, it's the ear.
The beauty means calm.
Yes, seeing something beautiful. Calm is like desire, right?
Basically the definition of pain and pleasure. That is calm. Calm generally used in what sense? To enjoy the pleasures of life. सुखों को भोगना, सुंदरता और काम.
Like you want like beautiful things to have pleasure from. Like,
No, beautiful things only can give pleasure.
Yeah, because I have already put some words. Yeah,
Define no. Something is beautiful because it feels pleasant.
the pleasant things only are pleasurable.
The pleasant things only are beautiful.
Yeah, interchangeable.
Interchangeable. Do you find me beautiful?
Yes,
Why?
looks wise also you feel pleasurable, like pleasant. So
But where is that looks wise the definition of pleasantness coming from? Is it some concrete definition? Looks wise, let's say if I start dressing like Laden.
I think then it is, when it comes to it is not looks. Maybe that the way you are is like that. It's not only looks, like maybe because you said that if you change also, because you have been changing the looks since like long, right? You're not been maintaining one.
Yeah, look wise if you go then I'm different only.
Yeah, then it is the way you are maybe attracts people, like feels.
So one looking at the physical body and the way you are, then we can say that looking at the mental body. But both of these are patterns.
It is.
So your patterns are tricking you in making me look beautiful to you.
Now there is one more dimension when it comes to you, which is always beautiful, which gives the other person like what you call joy. Because of that also like gives a conclusion that because now it feels joy. Oh, this is beautiful because it's giving me joy.
Joy, you are using just another word for pleasantness only. Yeah. So we'll make the full connection. No, let's set up the foundation first. In terms of other words, if we see what is generally pleasant, like you in terms of looks also, what do you find pleasant in the nature? Let's say, do you find a tiger pleasant?
No?
Do you find a flower pleasant?
Yeah.
Do you find a cow pleasant?
Cow is you feel like calming effect. So I find it beautiful, yes. No, it's not tiger, I don't feel beautiful, but it's not that like the fear part comes out. But when it's cow, it's the fear part is not there. So
No. That means that tiger you are not finding beautiful then.
in picture I find beautiful tiger.
How can beauty and fear both stay? Can they both stay together? Like something is beautiful, but it is scaring you. That's what discussed in the definition of love, right? Like you follow someone because that person is scaring you. Can that way human mind make something beautiful?
From something fear, people do derive pleasure, like in horror movies. For pleasure only they watch that, right? Like
I don't know. Horror movie gives pleasure like in what sense?
because whatever they're thinking just goes off. They're just in the like just in that moment. So by then they get pleasure by then.
If they are watching something for pleasure, then it cannot be something that really scares them. Something that really scares you, let's say I show you the footage of Murshidabad or Pahalgam. Now that is really scary. Will it give you pleasure? Most of the people don't even believe in. That's why they find pleasure in it because it's like made up stories.
Or if it really comes to attack them.
You get it? So it's not a horror movie in that sense. Horror movie means basically scary movie, no? So a more horror movie for someone will be like showing someone like getting tortured or something like that. That will be horror, no? Like even those horror movies that you say horror, they can also be horror. But in the ignorance, human beings don't even understand like how does it work. Like what we call bhoot, we don't even understand like what is it? Ghost.
Yeah, we fear the unknown, right?
But can fear be love? Or can fear be beauty? So what you fear is ugly, right? Like if I show you all the news feed, you'll play something beautiful, means that you don't fear it. But you will hesitate to play something which is horrific because you find it ugly. You will love to see like streets with like flowers and people dancing and nice music playing. But you will hate if there are like cries in the streets and everywhere. And there is like fear. Can you find the real beauty in both of them? Now that is the real question. Can you find beauty in Ma Kale dancing and everything is like destruction and destruction? And it's your number also. It's not like you are saved. But can you still find like beauty in it?
If you are in the top of the ocean, maybe you'll find it. It is, you will find it. Like you're totally devoted to her, and it's everything what she does is beautiful. She chops off her head also is beautiful.
No, it's not about her only, no.
Hmm.
It's about why people don't find Shiva beautiful. Why did Maina said that he is not beautiful? जब शादी के लिए बारात में आए सबसे पहली बार तो वो भस्म वगैरह लगा के आए थे आजू बाजू ऐसे वाले लोग थे तो वो वाली चीज उसके लिए ब्यूटीफुल क्यों नहीं हुई
Because her perception, she had some fixed pattern about beauty.
So beauty is basically, if you discuss it on physical level, then it's the physical pattern. In mental level, then it's the mental pattern.
Yes.
And if spiritual level, if you talk about, then it will be everything should be beautiful.
Yes. Because you're beyond judgment now.
So let us write down our conclusions so far. Beauty equal to
So only if it is beautiful, we can get pleasure out of it.
pleasure. Then beauty is equal to what is the opposite of fear?
Fearlessness.
Or ugly is equal to fear. Then beauty is equal to physical or sharirik. Three kinds of beauty.
But when we say like spiritual, it's like beauty. It's spiritual only. We can't say like spiritual beauty.
सुंदरता क्या है? Like horrific or beautiful. Beauty is equal to softness.
I can think of some examples like flower or some like soft voice. Like
No, that like how this definition of soft and hard is there. No, like a soft person means what kind of person? Like what is his mental body which you will evaluate. A hard person means what kind of person?
driven by emotions. Emotions are prominent. Or even if he had a disagreement, he don't try to prove the emotion. It's okay. Like I'm fine with that. Like without the argument going further. I don't know with that. But I feel that those are soft in nature.
Soft people कौन होते हैं? Empathetic person. लेकिन empathetic person को जो define कर रहे हैं ना, like उसको exact life के example के through बताओ ना, कि empathetic person कौन से होते हैं?
They can relate to others' emotions. So, kind people, they say like, oh, you're very kind.
Soft and kind is like the kind of same word only.
Even if they feel hurt or maybe they wouldn't reciprocate or he also should feel the same. Then it's like, okay, so you can keep it yourself.
That is one example. I'm trying to see if we can reach the basic quality of it. Like you can define it, no? Like what is calm? Basically, this signal comes to one person, and the output or the action of that signal is that level. Okay. Then the same signal goes to another person, and the output of the signal is, let's say, this level. So this person you will call calm, right?
But you cannot define in this case it is calm because it could be out of fear also he's not talking. Both the ways it's possible. Then you can't say this calm. Maybe his mind is in under a riot, but outside it should calm.
But then how are you defining calm?
Inside also is calm. What is showing outside.
No. But would you call this person soft or hard?
Yeah, we can call that person is soft. If we are defining him, we define it that way. Okay, soft. He may not be soft.
No, but the definition it should be, no?
No, maybe he's suppressing also. No, in this case, that being suppressing yourself is not being calm.
You go to like spiritual definitions only. I'm trying to define like these guys in that level. How do they think about beauty? How do they think about who is calm and who is angry? We are talking about a general human beings. For him or her, everything is not beautiful. उन लोगों को सब beautiful नहीं लगता है.
Okay, so you're trying to define a basic quality when you say like when somebody says soft. What is the basic quality behind it?
For general public, like
It's vulnerable.
that is the same, no? Like femininity. Beauty is equal to how feminine you are. अब ब्यूटी का अब मेन जो पॉइंट है ना वो वहाँ पे आता है कि अपने दो टाइप के प्रवृत्ति वाले लोग हैं. अब जो कि हमने ये तो देख लिया कि ब्यूटी पैटर्न होता है. अब ये जो डेफिनेशन है ना ब्यूटी की वो सब लोग नहीं मानते हैं एक्चुअली में. फॉर यू इट इज लाइक दैट बट देयर आर पीपल who might say like masculinity is beautiful or who might say that actually fear is beauty. So what is kind of like a comedy movie to you or comedy to one person, for them it will be a tragedy. And what is tragedy here, it will be comedy there. So like let's look at the society. What most of the people find beautiful? Do they find these TV news shows beautiful?
TV news.
Like look at the data. Like let's say YouTube we go right now.
It's like you just it. Like there's nothing like you don't have to judge. Like I don't feel anything like beauty or ugly or something.
No, but what like now evaluate it on all the parameters. Does it induce fear in you? Like जितने में हमने definition किए हैं, like use them.
It's like when I see like this Veena and everything, okay, find it okay. There's some beautiful music like this is calming like. But these are like too many things are there. This cover. I don't want like it's not calming for me, so I don't consider it's beautiful. These two images I find it beautiful because it has sitar and the sitar.
No, that is only on the image level.
हाँ.
That is only on the basis of the physical body. आप सिर्फ like thumbnail देख लो शारीरिक शरीर.
And I,
मेंटल लेवल पे जब आप उसको प्रोसेस करते हो इन्फॉर्मेशन को,
Hmm.
तब वो ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है कि
it might
वैसा
change. It might change based on if it is not
I
played.
mean, here only, like in thumbnail also, like one is the visual look of the thumbnail,
Hmm.
one is the information of the thumbnail.
Based on thumbnail, I judge in my mind. So based on that, I was like, it might be good because thumbnail says that. So I judge based on that and I try.
No, I'm asking, like, do it on two levels. No, levels we have defined. No,
Mm.
physical beauty means basically appearance only,
Mm.
like how it is designed, like does it look beautiful.
Mm.
Mental is basically when you process that information. Is that information beautiful or not? Is the information itself is fear and desire? You can have a beautiful visual,
Mm.
but it's something written which is like horrific.
Yeah.
But how does it make it horrific? Like visual wise, it is beautiful only. But the information or the mental body of it is not good. Not good means again, what you say, like this experience is not good. This thought is not good. It's not pleasant. Not pleasant again, like you can go in all the definitions now. It is not soft.
And also you said like it could be pleasant for one, pleasant, unpleasant for one. Unmoral. That's also possible in this case.
Yeah, that's what will happen actually. So now if you see our society in two major poles. So there are people who find pleasure in torturing others. So their sense of beauty is reversed only.
There is. Naturally shouldn't be there. So it's something unnatural.
What do you mean unnatural?
You're finding pleasure in harming somebody. So it's like inducing fear in them. That you find.
So many people find happiness in inducing fear in others. Even in chat, there will be so many people here who will find it pleasant to comment or something negative basically. Something negative means what?
Which will induce a fear in others.
Yeah. Like आप कैसे बोलते हैं ना कि तूने ऐसे नहीं किया ना तो ये हो जाएगा. Like what do parents do from the childhood? Induce fear in you. कि कॉलेज में ऐसे हाइट नहीं गया ना तो किसी पूरा बर्बाद हो जाएगा तेरा सारा कुछ करियर नहीं बनेगा भविष्य खराब हो तेरा. Like तुमने इतनी उम्र तक शादी नहीं की तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. So most of our society is actually like that if you really see.
So in that they find pleasure.
Obviously they find pleasure, otherwise why would they do it?
Inducing fear in them creates pleasure in me. Okay. Definitely not be categorized as soft person.
No, that's what I'm saying. No, there are people who find pleasure or who defines beauty as the opposite of what you are defining.
Because that is their sense of beauty.
It is their sense of beauty. There are people who find beauty in positivity. So you can basically sum it up, entire thing. Are they beautiful or are they ugly?
Can beauty be judged without things in the mind?
What should we call these people? Asur.
I wanted to say that.
No, but like, Asur, or what can be the common name, right? And Asur itself means like disorder only, if you look at it.
Chaos.
Asur.
Asur. Okay.
So very simple, no? Like beauty is there, but what your definition of beauty is there are people in the world who have opposite definition of beauty. Like these people, they find beauty in chaos.
Mhm.
And they find beauty in order. Like you. They find beauty in fear.
Yeah, inducing fear. Right. For themselves, maybe it's not for others, it's directed towards others. When they are in fear, they don't feel it is beautiful. But when it is for others, when they are making others fearful, then they find it's beautiful, right? That is what you say.
So that's why like this all of this comes from ego only, And ego is always like one directional, outward. There is no self-reflection in ego.
Hmm.
Self-reflection means what? Let's say you are getting pleasure, like in this storyline, this guy is or this person is going through something. So self-reflection means like let's say I replace this person with you. तुमको डाल दिया यहाँ पे और same story play कर दी. So will it be beautiful or not? Now for this kind of people, they exist in contradiction. कि उनको ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ दूसरे के साथ वो कहानी हो रही हो तो ब्यूटीफुल है बट उस कहानी में यदि मेरी फोटो डाल दी जाए तो वो अगली हो जाएगी बिकॉज इन बिटवीन कम्स आई देखिए असुर लोगों की ब्यूटी क्या होती है सो नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी द एंटायर वर्ल्ड वी कैन से लाइक वेदर दे आर गोइंग फॉर दिस और दैट आर दे असुर और सुर द डेफिनेशन इज वेरी क्लियर नो दिस इज लाइक सुदर्शन only no self reflection in terms of language also you can see so let's say we replace. So all the people who like keep oppress others and everything, they like it, no? When they are here commanding and the other person is here following. But if you reverse the roles, they won't like it.
Yes, the power is gone, so I don't like it.
So this arrangement is fine, but only from like here, this point of view, it is fine. Or the movie is fine if it is happening in somewhere like 500 kilometers away. For somebody else, it is happening, then you can find beautiful. For you, if it is happening, then you find it ugly. Who are these people? Asur.
By definition, is there also.
By definition, they are Asur. So who are Asur in today's world? If you apply this definition, who else, who all will fall in this category? अब ये सारी डेफिनेशन हमने इकट्ठी कर ली है. देखो, ब्यूटी इज इक्वल टू प्लेजर, ब्यूटी is not equal to fear, or beauty is the opposite of fear. Now, this is for only for devatas, only it is like that. For asura, there is an opposite definition of beauty,
Making, inducing fear.
inducing fear. Like who are these terrorists basically? The name is like that only, terrorist, inducing terror. That is their aim, and that's they find happiness, right? They find joy in it. That you are saying no, something that makes you joyful.
Yeah.
So they find joy in the opposite way. So there are two main tendencies or two main ways of looking at beauty in this world. है कि नहीं?
Does it like develop? How does like I can't think of it. Like how does it happen like that? But because everybody is human beings only, no?
But human beings only Brahma made this arrangement, no? कि human beings के अंदर ही दो sense of beauty की definition हो सकती है.
With this kind of thing, like inducing fear and making feel somebody happy, though we see it, it's not intuitive. Like how can you feel like that?
Now we have to go and ask like, how do these serial killers, they find beauty in like planning and like how I will chase this girl, I'll get information and then I will kill her and then I will do all of this. All of this they do. Years they spend doing this.
So we just define that two things exist in Brahma's world.
Two ways of beauty. सुंदरता को देखने के दो तरीके हैं.
Hmm.
एक तो पॉजिटिविटी के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं, जो सॉफ्टनेस के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं, जो कि फेमिनिन नेचर के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं, जो कि फियर का उल्टा मतलब भी मान लो, ठीक है, लव के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं. और उल्टे वाले कौन से हैं? जो नेगेटिव के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं, जो हार्डनेस के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं, मैस्कुलिनिटी के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं, जो फियर के अंदर ब्यूटी देखते हैं. देखो इतनी बढ़िया तरीके से सुर और असुर को कौन समझाएगा? हैंस प्रूव्ड टोटल ब्यूटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. क्योंकि तुम और चक्कर क्या है कि जो सुर होते हैं देव और जो देव प्रवृत्ति के होते हैं, अब उन लोगों को हमेशा जो कि पॉजिटिव देखने में ही ब्यूटी दिखती है, तो वो हमेशा संसार को पॉजिटिव देखना चाहते हैं. और जो असुर होते हैं वो हमेशा नेगेटिव देखना चाहते हैं. तो कुछ ऐसे लोग होंगे जो हमेशा आपकी खूबी निकालेंगे कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये बात तो बढ़िया है ना, अभी देख तेरे को आता है ये करना, टेंशन ना ले, तू कर सकता है, तू कर सकती है. और कुछ ऐसे लोग होंगे जो आपकी कमियां ही निकालेंगे. उनका काम ही है, उनका रेडार ही वैसे काम करता है कि भी किसी भी चीज को पकड़ो और उसमें कमी देखो कि ये चीज परफेक्ट कैसे नहीं हुई. कुछ ना कुछ तो कमी निकलेगी इसके अंदर. कि 99% चीजें सही भी हुई तो भी 1% जो सही नहीं होगी उनको वो दिखेगा, अपने आप ही दिखेगा, क्योंकि उनकी ब्यूटी की डेफिनेशन ही वैसी है. और जहां पे ब्यूटी की डेफिनेशन होगी उसके इंसान से ही इंसान, जो कि ब्यूटी और प्लेजर सेम है.
Yeah, that is what gives them pleasure. So they define that as beauty.
तो इसमें सारे कैरेक्टर डाल दो, मंथरा, कंस, दुर्योधन,
Yeah.
है कि नहीं ऐसे कैरेक्टर? अब मॉडर्न टाइम्स में कौन कौन से लोग जाएंगे इसमें? बताओ तुम चैट में, किसकी डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी असुर वाली है और किसकी डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी सुर वाली है? सुर कितने हैं दुनिया में आज के टाइम में और असुर कितने हैं? भारत के अंदर ही बहुत सारे ऐसे होंगे. मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिटिशियंस असुर में डाल दिया तुमने.
Most celebrities, they're saying like they're asurs.
सेलिब्रिटी भी असुर हैं, सेलिब्रिटी भी असुर बन गए हैं. ऐसे कैसे बन गया? तो जिंदगी के सारे सेलिब्रिटीज असुर.
They're the media and judges.
अब कोई सुर भी है क्या? फिर सारे तो असुर हो गए. अब डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से बताया ना हमने, तो कोई बुरा मत मानना भाई. पता चला कोई जज का नाम लिख दिया भाई.
Sur is all artists. All artists are sur, is somebody saying. Unconscious minds are asurs, they're saying. व्यास पीठ पर बैठे ढोंगी कथावाचक.
दो टाइप की ब्यूटी की डेफिनेशन, दो टाइप की प्लेजर की डेफिनेशन.
Businessmen are asurs.
अब ऐसे ऐसे बड़े बड़े कैटेगरी बताओगे तो उसके अंदर कैसे चलेगा?
ढोंगी बाबास are asurs.
हाँ वो तो है ही ना. अब लेकिन बेसिक तुमको डेफिनेशन समझ में आई. सबसे पहले तो ब्यूटी का जो टॉपिक था वो समझ में आया. कोई इंसान क्यों ब्यूटीफुल लगता है? जैसे इसको बोलते हैं ना कि हार्श, लाइक स्पीक सॉफ्ट वर्ड्स, डोंट स्पीक हार्श वर्ड्स. हार्श वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? हार्श वर्ड्स का मतलब वही हुआ ना, हार्ड मतलब. सॉफ्ट वर्ड्स, तो वो सॉफ्ट वर्ड्स वाला फिर वो उसी से रिलेटेड है कि वो सॉफ्ट पर्सनैलिटी, फेमिनाइन. तो फेमिनाइन को तो हमने खत्म ही कर दिया है, रसूल को तो हमने खत्म कर ही दिया ना. सत्य कहाँ है मतलब दुनिया में आज के टाइम में? मतलब बेसिकली कितने इंसान ऐसे हैं जो ये बोलते हैं कि मैं सत्य को जानता हूँ और ये सत्य है, और कितने इंसान एक्चुअली बोलते नहीं है कि क्या सत्य है, बट दूसरे के सत्य को तोड़ने में लगे रहते हैं.
Like what exactly you mean by that?
मतलब मैंने पूछू कि मान लो ये यूनिवर्स कैसे पैदा हुआ, तब उनको नहीं पता कैसे पैदा हुआ. बट उनको ये पता है कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कैसे पैदा हुआ वो असत्य कैसे है।
Okay, yeah.
उनके पास उनकी खुद की थ्योरी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन नहीं है, और उनको किसी दूसरे के यदि कोई थ्योरी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन दे रहा है तो उसको उसको उनको तोड़ना है। उनके पास खुद का कोई विजन नहीं है कि वो क्या करना चाहते हैं समाज के अंदर, क्या होना चाहिए, क्या एंड गेम होगा इस सोसाइटी का।
So again, it will boil down that ego.
हाँ, फाइनली तो एवरीथिंग बॉइल्स डाउन टू ईगो ओनली।
Yeah, this, what is this pravritti? This pravritti is also pravritti only.
व्हाट इज दिस फिलॉसफी?
As you said, that they don't have their definition of something, but when their daksha inside them comes like, no, this also can't be the definition which the other person gives.
बेसिकली दोज आर इग्नोरेंट पीपल। मतलब उनको पता कुछ नहीं है दुनिया के बारे में, उनको पता करना भी नहीं है। और उनको जो लोग पता करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं या जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ तुम ये देखो ऐसे है, उनको बस उन लोगों के ऊपर पत्थर फेंकने में मजा आता है। लाइक इसका एक मैं पूछ रहा था ना, मुझे इस्लाम का एंड गेम क्या है? मान लो उन्होंने पूरी धरती पे सबको बना लिया मुस्लिम, उनका पूरा हो गया, अब तो सबको जन्नत गारंटीड है, तो फिर क्या करेंगे इंसान धरती पे? जन्नत तो गारंटीड है ना, मतलब सबकी जन्नत गारंटीड हो गई है, सब मुस्लिम बन गए हैं, फिर क्या?
Now that sub will go. Now again they will become like isolated. Right? Only they should live. Everyone else should die. Something like that.
बट नाउ तो एक ही रिलीजन के हो गए ना सब। मान लो जो भी लोग बेसिकली इस टाइप से वायलेंस करते हैं या जो भी करते हैं, और इस चक्कर में कि हमारे धर्म के लोग सबसे ज्यादा होने चाहिए भाई गिनती के अंदर, वो सिर्फ गिनती पे खेल रहे हैं। मान लो उनको पूरी गिनती दे दी, ठीक है सारा तुम्हारा हो गया और अब सबको जन्नत गारंटीड हो गई है।
So would they come out of asur pravritti, you're saying?
No, then what is the end game? That I am saying. Like according to their vision, like they are only thinking till then only. Like what will they do after?
Then I'm not talking about because it's not there.
Like असुर लोग जो होते हैं, वो सबसे ज्यादा ये स्वर्ग पे कब्जा प्राप्त करना, ये ब्रह्म के विवेक को चुराना, ये सब करते रहते हैं। बट उनको ये तो समझ में आता ही नहीं है कि संसार चल कैसे रहा है।
Ignorant mind.
है कि नहीं?
So they are asur because of their ignorance. Can sur also could be ignorance and yet they would not have any asuric pravritti, right? So is it because of ignorance they are asur?
बट रावण तो बहुत बड़ा ज्ञानी था।
Huh.
It's not because of ignorance.
It's a pravritti is that.
It's the perverti of finding beauty in the opposite thing. Like someone finds beauty in being the traffic being organized, कि सब कुछ सही से हो, सब अपने लेन में चल रहे हैं। And someone finds beauty कि मैं सब कुछ काट वाट के ऐसे हीरो बन के बीच में से ऐसे निकल जाऊं। आज के टाइम में तो वैसे ही लोगों को हीरो दिखाते हैं ना।
Jumping and
हाँ, मतलब जो रूल फॉलो ना करे, जो ऑर्डर को फॉलो ना करे, जो डिसऑर्डर को बढ़ाए,
so that's their pravritti only.
दैट्स द प्रवृत्ति ओनली। दो ही प्रवृत्ति है ना, असुर और सुर।
So ignorant minds can also be sur, devatas also. That is by their pravritti that they are.
Ignorance about what? No, that is the thing, right?
They don't see that there's another way of seeing the beauty. Another way also is there, but still they're
Okay, ignorance. If you are saying like ignorant about the ultimate truth, that way it will be there.
ultimate. And like the asur also sees this devata who is like having this devata tendency, like feeling with order and softness and all these things. He sees that thing, right?
मतलब फाइनली तो फिर वो वाली चीज आ जाएगी ना, फिर वो भोले बाबा वाली कहानी आ जाएगी। क्या वो सुर है क्या असुर है? अब तुम तो उस वाली चीज पे चले गए ना, तुम हमेशा वहीं पे चले जाते हो। तो नॉर्मल इंसान की तरह भी सोचना सीख लो जैसे ये लोग सोचते हैं। ऐसे पता कैसे चलेगा हमके इनके माइंडसेट के हिसाब से? मजे करो जिंदगी के अंदर, सुर बनो, असुर मत बनो। असुर भी बन सकते हो, मुंडे भी चाहिए पीटने के लिए हीरो को। लाइक तुम स्टोरी टेलिंग के अंदर देखते हो ना, तो हीरोज जर्नी, तो उसके अंदर वैसे ही होता है कि स्टोरी टेलिंग के अंदर उस हीरो की जर्नी के अंदर सब कुछ लाइक पॉजिटिव हो गया तो कभी जर्नी लगती ही नहीं है।
Yeah, I don't feel like watching that movie.
हाँ।
Everything's going good on me.
तो सुर और असुर दोनों जब खींचेंगे अभी तो समुद्र मंथन होगा।
Then that will like if asur is being chased or something. Asur by destruction. Then hero comes to save. Then he'll be on the edge of the seat and he'll watch.
भोलेनाथ क्या है? सूर्य के असुर है।
He's neither.
वो केओस है कि ऑर्डर है? वैसे तो उनको केओस का ही गॉड माना जाता है, प्रलय का देवता। प्रलय का मतलब ही केओस है।
But you say that Bhole also. Bhole is like soft and innocent and.
हाँ, वो तो सॉफ्ट और इनोसेंट भी है, बट सबसे ज्यादा एंग्री और सबसे ज्यादा हार्ड भी वही है।
So you can't put it in one box.
तो वो बेसिकली तीसरी डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी है, जो यहाँ पे बेसिकली जनरल इन वाले इससे ऊपर है ना। इट्स लाइक कि बेसिकली मैस्कुलिनिटी भी है और सॉफ्टनेस भी है और हार्डनेस भी है, मैस्कुलिनिटी भी है और फेमिनिटी भी है।
That's an Ardhanarishwar, right?
हाँ, वो केओस भी है और शून्य भी है।
So if the pravritti is removed, everything is.
And where does the parvati come from? This is like your karma tendency on, you know.
In that sense, can we accept that their karma tendency and leave the asuras as they are? No need to change.
नहीं, फिर वो होगा ही नहीं ना। See, there are two ways of seeing the world. So you want to see positivity in everyone. There are other people who want to see negativity in everyone. So both of these will automatically clash.
Okay.
You will not able to leave them alone. Only if you are Shiva, then you can leave them alone because then you are Shubham. Then you don't care. But Vishnu cannot leave them alone because Vishnu purpose is to drive the world. So if Asur increases, then the chaos and the disorder will increase. Like right now, the chaos and disorder is increasing in the universe. No, by climate change and everything, they are disrupting the order of the universe. All of these terrorists, they are trying to disrupt the order. They are trying to make it uncertain, more fearful. तो वो प्रवृत्ति तो अपने आप ही एंटी हो जाएंगी. तो ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि like, उनको तुम छोड़ दो. लड़ना तो पड़ेगा तुम्हें.
Okay.
हमने इसका समराइजेशन कर दिया है. ठीक है, समराइजेशन के अंदर क्या दिखाया है कि अब एक ऐसा प्राणी है जो कि इस दोनों डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी के अंदर फिट नहीं होता है या दोनों के अंदर फिट होता है. वो है भोलेनाथ हियर, जिनका नाम भी रुद्र है. रुद्र का मतलब क्या होता है? So fierce, if somebody is fierce, do we call it beautiful or ugly?
You definitely don't call beautiful. Like we should like fierceness in this is like fear again. So you just not beautiful because we already defined beauty is not equal to fear in that case. So Rudra contradicts everything. in that case.
Basically यहाँ पे कोई डेफिनेशन काम नहीं करती इस एरिया में. यहाँ पे नो डेफिनेशन वर्क्स, है ना?
So this is spiritual beauty what you're referring to. Third type.
This is the spiritual beauty, which is the real beauty, because every other beauty is data driven. This is the only beauty which is a permanent beauty, which is the beauty of being. That you don't basically see, was your life beautiful or was your life ugly? You just see, life, good. So this is the exact same thing. It is like finding beauty in everything just the way it is, or finding beauty in their own naturalness,
Beingness.
in beingness. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shri Shambho.